Welcome to Doit Designs. Like, subscribe and share. How to register on D4J as a seller, step-by-step tutorial. Click on Login on the D4J homepage. Beside Become a Seller, click on the Click Here link. A new pop-up will open, select Individual. Fill in your basic details, full name, gender, email ID, contact number, and create a password. Re-enter the password for confirmation. Add your address details. Add business details, company name, website, if any, PAN number, and Aadhaar number. Enter your bank details. Click on Register. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes to proceed. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email ID. Enter both OTPs and click Validate. Then click on Proceed to continue. A design seller agreement will appear. Review all your details and terms. Click on I agree, download the agreement. Proceed with Save and Next. There is a revenue sharing contract which they have to review correctly. Click I agree, download it. Proceed with Save and Next. Your registration is now complete. Once the registration is done, our admin team will review and verify, and once that is done, only then the sellers can log in. Verification will take 24 hours. Note, if you are registering as an organization, you will also need to enter your organization name and GST number. The rest of the process remains the same.